Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another brand new episode of Mobile Funda. Origin OS 6 is currently trending because of its clean design and powerful customization. So in today's video, we are going to customize our Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco devices with an Origin OS 6 inspired theme and experience the Origin OS feel on HyperOS devices. But before we start, if you are visiting this channel for the first time and you enjoy HyperOS customization videos, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more amazing customizations in the future. Friends, if we talk about this Origin OS 6 theme, then let's talk about the first lock screen. Here the lock screen appears in a layout similar to Origin OS 6, featuring a large and clean clock widget. To customize this lock screen, first open the theme store. Go to the lock style and select the theme called Poo26. After applying it, tap on the customize icon. Then first enable the custom wallpaper option. Then tap on this option and select the JPEG peak. Similarly, tap on the next option and select the PNG peak. Now go back to the lock screen and right swipe on the top right bar to customize the lock screen. First, disable the glass effect on the clock widget so that it matches the Origin OS 6 lock screen style. Then adjust the clock size. After that, remove the unnecessary widgets from the lock screen. Now your first lock screen has been successfully customized in the Origin OS 6 style. For the second lock screen, simply apply the theme Juto-O as your lock screen. As for the customization, you can easily adjust it yourself because this one is much easier compared to the first lock screen. Now let's move on to the home screen. Here the home screen appears in a clean layout with an Origin OS 6 style clock widget at the top. Well, this widget is not just for showcase, it actually works. For example, if you tap on different elements of the widget, it will open the app of that element, which you can see on the screen. By the way, how to get and apply this widget, you will know later in the video. In addition to that, you will also get a rectangular dog at the bottom, which is commonly seen in the Origin OS 6 Chinese edition. Next, let's talk about the icons. Here the icons follow a design that is heavily inspired by Origin OS 6, as you can see on the screen. But one small downside I noticed is that the icon size is slightly smaller compared to other icon packs. If the icons were a bit larger, the overall user experience would feel even better. Hopefully this will be improved in future updates. To apply these icons, simply apply the theme called Origin 6 as an icon. Now let's talk about the control center. Here the control center appears in a layout where the toggles have rectangular and squarish shapes which closely resemble the Origin OS 6 design. To apply this control center, apply the theme Liu as a system. Now let's customize the home screen clock widget, which is one of the most important part of this setup. So please watch carefully. First, go to the pinned comment and download the required files including the KWGT app and the Origin OS 6 widget file. After downloading, install the KWGT app and grant all the required permissions. When it asks for file access, allow it. Next, open your file manager and create a folder named Custom. Select this folder when prompted. Now move or copy the widget file you downloaded from the pinned comment into this Customs widget folder. After that, go to the widget section. Then Android widget. And select a blank 3x1 or 1x1 KWGT widget. and resize it to 4:1. Then tap on the blank widget. Go to the library section and you will see the widget you downloaded from the pinned comment. Simply tap on it and then save. Your Origin OS 6 clock widget will now be successfully applied. Now all the Origin OS 6 components have been applied and the theme customization is complete. You can download all the wallpapers from our Telegram channel. So this is one of the best Origin OS 6 style theme customizations for HyperOS devices. I hope you liked this customization. If you did, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more amazing theme customization. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.